Hello children. Today we will discuss about drying and dehydrating agent. This is the part of chapter water. As you people are watching me, as it is written on display, drying and dehydrating agent is the topic. We will talk about drying and dehydrating agent, right? Drying agents are actually those substances which absorb moisture from other substances without chemically reacting with them. It means without chemical reaction, the substance which remove out the water from other substances are known as drying agent. For example, calcium chloride, fused calcium chloride is a drying agent. It remove out moisture from other substance without chemical reaction. Another drying agents are concentrated sulfuric acid, phosphorus pentaoxide, and quicklime. And quicklime means calcium oxide. These all four substances are used as drying agent. Drying agent, right? See, as it is written, drying agents are substances which can readily absorb or remove moisture from other substances. Fused calcium chloride is a deliquescent in nature, absorb moisture and hence used as a drying agent or desiccating agent. So what we got here, we got new word desiccating agent. Drying agent is also known as desiccating agent because more often they are kept in desiccator. Desiccator is a type of container. That's why it is known as desiccating agent as well. Right? Now come at dehydrating agent. D means removal. Hydration means water. Right? So when a substance remove out water molecule with a chemical reaction, right, is known as dehydrated agent. Means when a substance remove a chemically bonded water molecule from other substances, it is known as dehydrating agent. Because it is removing chemical bonded water molecule, it means chemical reaction is involved in this process. That's why I'm telling you all, it takes place with the help of chemical reaction, this process. Okay, so when a substance remove water molecule from a substance which are chemically bonded, the substance is known as dehydrating agent. Concentrated sulfuric acid is used as a dehydrating agent. For example, here it is given glucose. When glucose is treated with sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid, it remove out 6 water molecule to form charcoal. 6 carbon in the chemical reaction it is given. C6H12O6 in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid gives out 6 carbon plus water molecule, 6 molecule of water. So here concentrated sulfuric acid removed out chemically bonded water molecule from other substance, means here in case of glucose to form water molecule and charcoal. Right? This is known as drying agent and dehydrating agent. More oftenly, difference is asked in examination. What is difference between drying agent and dehydrating agent? So in a very simple way, drying agent means the substance which remove moisture from other substance without a chemical reaction, while dehydrating agent means a substance which remove out chemically bonded water molecule from other substance with the help of chemical reaction is known as dehydrating agent. Example, phosphorus pentaoxide, calcium chloride, quicklime, they all are drying agent, while concentrated sulfuric acid is used as a dehydrating agent. Right? So that's all for today. Okay, thank you.